Hello and welcome back. I'm Demis Hellen and I am proud to present my brand new progressive trance series here for Born to Produce. This first preview episode includes some of the juicy bits in there just to give you an idea of what the series includes. Now, this is not because of Wider, this is because of the original plugin, so let's have a look at it with Wider off. Can you see how unpredictable that is? So we're going to switch back to the first screen and look at our progressive pluck. I'm going to bring these down a little bit. So you can see it's not really doing too much for us there. So what we can do as a secondary option is jump to the front page. And you can see this spread control here at the bottom. I'm going to bring this down and you're going to see that it's going to start shrinking it more into the middle. So down there is the extreme, but you can see on the correlation meter, we're now in a good place. So we can just dial it back in till we've got a nice balance. So I'm going to dial it down again. So we've got a bit of preset changing to do, so let's go back to the other screen. But you can see here how I've set this up. We've got a slower attack or a slower attack, but I've changed the curvature. So we've got this little dot in the middle and we can change the curvature of this. So I've just changed that curve so it sort of rises up quickly. So it gives us a smooth start to the sound, but it's pretty immediate at the same time, but without the click. So here, this sustain level just means how loud is the preset going to be, or how loud is the sound going to be once we've held the key and the decay has happened. So the decay is going to take 400 milliseconds and then it's going to hold roughly 50% volume. You can see here, if I just put it into the middle, that's 50% of the original volume. So it's going to be loud and then it's going to go to half level. And that's what helps the ping or the click or the start of the sound come through a little bit more. And then it returns to a decent level. Now, so if we dampen the highs a little bit, it's going to stop the reverb bringing out so much into the other sounds. Somewhere about the 11,000 hertz. Get rid of some of those lows. Yeah, about 600 hertz. So we just get that little flow of reverb over the top.